Right now, while you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is already replacing human jobs. And most people have absolutely no idea how fast it's happening. By 2030, millions of careers could disappear forever. Not because humans became lazy, but because machines became smarter. The scary part has already started. Customer service jobs are disappearing. Entire call centers are being automated. Factories no longer need thousands of workers. Even supermarkets are replacing cashiers with machines. Editors, designers, writers, nobody is completely safe. And Gen Z is entering the workforce at the worst possible time. The rules of success are changing. Even tech billionaires are warning people. AI could become the biggest economic disruption in human history. But here's what nobody tells you. AI is not just destroying jobs, it's creating entirely new industries. The people who adapt early will make more money than ever before, because the future doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to the fastest learners. History has already shown this before. When machines entered factories, people feared losing everything, and many actually did. And now, AI is becoming the new industrial revolution, except this time it's happening 10 times faster. Technology is evolving faster than humans can adapt. One AI assistant can now do the work of hundreds of employees, and companies love that, because machines don't ask for salaries. They don't sleep. They don't get tired. They become smarter every single day. What once took hours now takes seconds. Graphic design changed overnight. Video production is transforming. Even lawyers are feeling pressure. Doctors are now using AI to diagnose patients faster. Education is changing too. Soon, personalized AI teachers could become normal. Truck drivers could face massive disruption. Delivery jobs are already being automated. Warehouses are becoming machine ecosystems. The truth is brutal. Most people won't realize they're replaceable until it's too late. Experts are divided. Some believe AI will create millions of new jobs. Others believe entire industries could collapse. But one thing is certain. The people who master AI early will dominate the future economy. Right now, there's a new digital gold rush happening, and most people are ignoring it. One person can now build entire businesses alone. AI gives ordinary people superpowers, but only if they learn how to use it. The people resisting change will be left behind. Even the internet is changing. As virtual influencers now attract millions of followers. Music is being generated by algorithms. Movies are beginning to use AI production. Creativity itself is evolving, because AI learns from humanity itself. Every photo, every video, every search makes artificial intelligence smarter. For the first time in history, humans are creating something that may eventually outthink them. And that possibility terrifies experts. Governments are investing billions into AI systems. Military technology is evolving rapidly. Financial markets are controlled by algorithms. Machines now react faster than humans ever could. But despite all the fear, there has never been a bigger opportunity. People are building businesses from bedrooms. Location no longer matters. One smart person can now compete with giant companies because AI multiplies productivity. One person can now do the work of entire teams. The world of work is changing forever, and the next generation will grow up differently. Traditional education may become outdated. Skills will matter more than degrees. Adaptability will become survival. Businesses that ignore AI could disappear completely, while AI-driven businesses dominate entire industries. This is no longer science fiction. This is reality. The question is no longer whether AI will replace jobs. The question is whether you'll adapt before it's too late.